Rough and racing. We've got a speed scramble at the start of a race. Moving up now is Red Flash to take the lead. It's now Red Flash. This time by about a length and a half. Batang Kenya is right behind in second. Then running in third is Pintados. Building Code running in fourth. Down in fifth is King House. Second last, Suerte Lang. And Aras is the early trailer. Past the half mile. Red Flash. This time by only a neck. And being hounded now by Batang Kenya, who's grabbing the lead. It's now Batang Kenya, this time by about 2 lengths. Pintados moving up now to take second. Shovel back in third is Red Flash. Moving up now and catching the third spot is Building Code. Towards the final turn, Batang Kenya, Pintados are fighting it out for the lead. And down to the finish, it is still Batang Kenya running on the outside. Pintados by the rail. Batang Kenya, Pintados is by the rail. And down to the finish and hitting the finish line. This time, Batang Kenya goes on by about 2 lengths. And moving up now is Aras, a long shot and winning this race over Batang Kenya. Third, Pintados, King House, and Suerte Lang for your Pentafecta.
Okay, we have a long shot. Crossing the wire first, number 2, Aras. Ako, si Batang Kenya.